Students, we will do English language book, page number 144, grammar. Today we will do when do we use like and when do we use likes. So we use like with I, you, we, they. For example, I like grapes. You like grapes. We like grapes. They like grapes. And when do we use likes? We use like with he and she. He likes sandwiches. She likes cakes. And we also use it with it. It like chicken. It likes chicken. So, he likes an ice cream. She likes an orange juice. It likes chicken. He, she, it. We use likes with S. And with I, you, we, and they, we use simple like without S.